In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create HubSpot forms for your website for free. First, once you're in your HubSpot dashboard, head to the search bar at the top left and type Forms. This is the quickest way to get exactly where you need to be without digging through menus. When Forms appears in the results, open it to see the form creation area. Next, choose from the templates provided. Templates give you a solid starting point so you don't have to build everything from scratch. You'll typically see options like a simple contact form, a newsletter signup, or a support request form. Pick the one that best matches your goal. If you're unsure, a basic contact form is a safe choice because it collects the essentials and can be easily customized later. Once you've selected a template, you'll be taken into the form editing mode. This is where you shape the form to fit your needs. Adjust the fields by adding, removing, or reordering them. Keep your form as short as possible so people are more likely to complete it. Ask only for the information you truly need. Make important fields required, and use clear labels and helpful placeholder text so it's obvious what you're asking for. Consider updating the Submit button text to something friendly and specific, like Send Message or Get Updates, which can improve completion rates. You can also fine-tune the form's functionality here, such as setting up a concise success message that thanks people for submitting and adding a simple consent checkbox if you need to communicate how you'll use the information. Small details like error messages and field validation help ensure responses are accurate and reduce frustration for your visitors. Take a moment to review the overall flow and tone. Does the form feel trustworthy and straightforward? Are the instructions clear and readable? Aim for a clean layout, consistent capitalization, and a logical order. For example, name, email, then the message or specific details you need. If your audience often uses mobile devices, keep the form compact so it's easy to complete on a phone. When you're happy with your changes, click Save. Saving locks in all the updates you just made, so the form is ready for use with your chosen template and settings. That's all it takes. To recap, you searched for forms using the top left bar, selected a template that matched your goal, customized the fields and functionality to suit your needs, and saved your work. You now have a polished, free HubSpot form ready to help you collect the information that matters.